Hi, welcome to this video. This is a room tour for Holiday Villa JB, and this room is actually a superior room, 29 square meters, not very big, not very small, it's okay size, but let's check out the room first. Once you come in here, on the right side here, this is where you put the card key and the switches here, and on the other side, this is where the mirror is, big mirror, and also the wardrobe area. So you can find it's just one compartment lah, okay, one section. Hanging space here, and then ironing board all over here, safe right the other side, and also the bedroom slipper, extra pillow on top, okay? And right opposite where this wardrobe is actually the toilet, so let's check it out. So this is the bathroom. It's not very big, but I would say it's actually quite got enough space lah. So once you come in here, this is the dry area. WC is always at the end here. It comes with a handout bidet. And this is the vanity area, towels right below. So very basic amenity, they don't give you fancy stuff. So toothbrush are here. And the wet area is just right here. And it's actually with a window here. So if you're shy, you want to have privacy, the blinds here. So what you do is just to turn on the switch over here, it'll come down. Okay, it's auto blind. So something good is that it's like you can control from the inside lah. Some hotels, they have the blind pulled from the outside, which I find very weird. Okay, and over here, they only have rain shower head. So those people who don't like it, you have to make do lah. Okay, then the amenities are over here. Actually, it looks pretty cute in this shape. Yeah, but I guess it's just a basic amenity lah. So that's about it for the toilet. Let's check out the room area. So just I forgot to mention is that this room is actually all carpeted. So yeah, it's just like that lah. Right beside the wardrobe area, this is a place where you put your luggage or your backpack or whatever. And if you want a bigger room space to share with family, you can book a connecting room as well. Of course, we didn't book the connecting room lah. And right beside here, this is where you find the table, the mini bar, okay, the fridge lah. It's actually empty. So if you want a fridge, you want to put your stuff, you can put it here. And also the TV is right here, mirror. If you want to do some work, you can actually do over here, and also PowerPoint over here to put your charger and whatnot. Over here you can find all the coffee and tea over here. Okay, and right behind me is actually where the king size bed is. On both sides of the bed you actually find PowerPoint, so you can actually charge your own devices without disturbing each other. Okay, and the switch also, the light master switch is actually over there. Okay, so this room is actually a superior room with city view. So let's check out the view. Oh, wait. Okay, so this is not working. Okay, it's not working. Stuck. It's okay. So city view, what we see here is actually KSL City Mall. So yeah, this hotel is actually located very near to KSL City. It's about, I would say, 30 seconds walk from, it's just one road across lah. So around here, there's other mall. One more of the mall is actually, I think, called Holiday Plaza. Yeah, so it's actually more of an old school. You can find those massage or do nails or buy some screen protector all over there. Yeah, so it's about 10 minutes away from the customs, JB Custom. If you take by Grab lah, 10 minutes or so. And there's an upcoming hotel, new hotel over here, Novotel, we can see. So I think it's stated to open 2028, but that's for a video for another time. Yeah. So this hotel, once again, this is a superior room, 29 square meters, right beside KSL City Mall. Shopping and food options, not a problem. Oh yeah, there's a lot of durian store right below here. So if you like durian, you can go out and buy. Don't buy back to the hotel, you'll be fined 500 ringgit. Eat out. Okay? Yeah. So we're going to show you the pool. The pool here is actually quite nice. It's actually like an infinity pool located at the rooftop area. So if you have time, you want to chill there, it's actually quite nice. It's just that I think it can be quite crowded because it's not a very big pool, and there's very limited benches lah. And also the breakfast area, it's going to be very crowded, I assume, because majority of the room rate they book is going to include breakfast, complimentary breakfast. So if you are keen for free breakfast, you can go for it, which I think is going to be very crowded. And if not, then you can just go to KSL Mall or take a Grab somewhere to have local breakfast. So I don't think that's going to be a problem. Yep, so we're gonna show you the facilities video here. If you're new here, now subscribe, scroll down a little bit. Below here, help us subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and you'll be notified when a new video coming out. Okay, if not, we have more videos like this, room tour reviews, all over there. Till next time, bye bye!